Referral Factory makes it incredibly easy for HubSpot users to build, manage, promote, and track a customer referral program, and issue rewards without any manual admin. And referrals are worth doing, right? Because they're one of the most cost-effective ways to grow. People trust recommendations from friends and colleagues far more than they trust ads. The hard part has always been running a referral program with HubSpot, because there was never a clean, native way to manage it inside the CRM that your team already lives in. Referral Factory is the HubSpot referral software that closes that gap. So that's what Referral Factory solves. It's HubSpot referral software built to connect directly with your pipeline. You can build a full referral program, give your customers easy ways to share, send automated emails to customers and to the friends they refer, track referrals from the first click all the way to a closed deal, and issue rewards automatically based on what actually happens in your pipeline. No spreadsheets, no manual follow-up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a referral program with HubSpot, where every referral that your customers send shows up as a contact in your CRM, tracked from the first click all the way to a closed deal, using HubSpot referral tracking and no one on your team doing anything by hand. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we break down the tools running modern SaaS companies and show you how to actually put them to work. No fluff, no hype, just the real setup. So let's get into it. Why you want this inside HubSpot, not beside it. HubSpot is where your contacts in your pipeline already live. Every customer, every deal, every stage is already sitting there. What it doesn't do on its own is turn those contacts into referrers who send new leads back into that same pipeline. That's exactly what Referral Factory adds. It takes the people already in your CRM and gives them a way to refer, then routes every new referral back in as a HubSpot contact that you can work like any other lead. Your referrers come from HubSpot, and the leads that they generate land right back in HubSpot. So the whole program runs inside the system that your team already uses instead of off in a separate tool. Let me show you how it goes together. So the first thing that you do is build the referral campaign itself. And this part is genuinely simple. Inside Referral Factory, you enter your website and the platform uses it to generate a campaign for you. From there, you customize it to match your product, your logo, your colors, your wording. This is the page that your customers use to refer someone, and the page their friends land on when they click through. Referral Factory also handles the emails for you. When someone joins, it automatically emails the referrer their unique share link. And when they refer a friend, it follows up with that friend too, inviting them in and nudging them along. Then you set your rewards rules, which decides what the referrer earns and what the new customer gets. Now, there are a couple hundred reward options to choose from cash and gift cards to account credits and coupon codes. Now, once that's done, every member of your program gets their own unique referral link, and you can issue referral codes as well. None of this requires code, and you can have the whole front end ready in just an afternoon. So now we wire it into your CRM, and this is the step that makes everything automatic. You go into the settings, find HubSpot in the list of integrations, and click Connect. It sends you to HubSpot. You log in and you authorize the connection. That's the whole process. No code, no developer. Now, one thing worth calling out here because people ask, this works on a free HubSpot account, just as well as a paid one. You don't need to be on an expensive tier to connect a referral program to your pipeline. So if you're an early stage SaaS company running the free CRM, you can still set this up today. With HubSpot connected, this is where the program starts to actually run inside your CRM. This is where you choose which contacts to invite into your referral program. You can sync all of your HubSpot contacts or pull from a specific HubSpot list, like your active customers, best fit accounts, or happiest users. Now, once they're synced into Referral Factory, each contact gets their own unique referral link automatically. And that link can be passed back into HubSpot, so your team can use it in emails, workflows, or any other customer communication. Then comes the part that makes this whole approach worth it. When someone gets referred, that new lead is automatically created as a contact or a deal in HubSpot. It doesn't sit in a separate referral inbox waiting for somebody to import it. It drops straight into your live follow-up workflow with the same ownership and routing as any other inbound lead. Your sales team works it the way they'd work everything else. Referral Factory also tracks who made each referral automatically. When someone signs up through a referral link, it records which customer sent them. You can push that data back into HubSpot too, so you can see exactly which contacts are actively referring inside your CRM. That's the pipeline side setup. Now let's decide what actually has to happen before a referral earns a reward. Now, here's the decision that matters most. You get to tie the moment a referral becomes real to a signal that already exists in HubSpot. You can qualify a referral based on a lifecycle stage change, a deal stage, or a custom property that you already track. So instead of rewarding a sign up, you can say a referral only counts when the referred contact reaches a specific deal stage, or when the deal actually closes. You define the milestone that means real business for your company, and HubSpot is already tracking it. Now, once a referred contact reaches the qualification point that you set in HubSpot, Referral Factory automatically marks the referral as successful. From there, the reward rules that you set up in Referral Factory kick in. The reward gets triggered and issued automatically. You have a lot of flexibility in what that reward is, with a couple hundred options to choose from, including cash, gift cards, account credit, and coupon codes. And Referral Factory issues it automatically once that referral qualifies. No double data entry. Now, this is the quiet benefit that saves your team the most time. Everything syncs back to HubSpot automatically. Referred contacts, their status, their progress through the pipeline, all of it flows into the CRM without anyone rekeying a thing. That sounds like a small thing until you've actually run a referral program the manual way and watched how fast the data falls out of sync. The payoff. When you set it up like this, you end up with full attribution from the first click, all the way to the closed deal, and all of it lives inside the CRM that you already trust. Now, you can look at any referred deal and trace it back to the customer who sent it in the link they shared. You can compare your referral channel against paid ads, against outbound, against everything else, using the same HubSpot reports that you already look at. Referrals stop being a side experiment that you can't measure and become a real trackable source of pipeline. Putting it together. So that's the full build. You create the campaign and set your reward in Referral Factory. You connect HubSpot in a couple of minutes. You sync your best customers in as referrers, and you map qualifications to the deal stage. That means real business for you. From there, referred leads flow into your pipeline as contacts. Your team works them like any other deal, and rewards go out when those deals close. So if HubSpot is your source of truth, this is how you add referrals to your pipeline without adding any manual work for your team. Now, we've got a link down in the description to get started with Referral Factory. And if you use code SaaS report, you'll get 10% off for your first 12 months. Now, if you got something out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We break down the tools running modern SaaS companies and show you exactly how to use them the same way every time. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.